Kia Country is starting off July with a bang. You can expect fireworks July 1st through the 6th. Party like it's the 4th of July. You'll get $17.76 off the MSRP on every new 2019 Kia in stock, plus the factory rebates up to $4,000 on our most popular vehicles, Sorento, Sedona, Optima, and Forte. And don't forget, every new Kia comes with our exclusive $3,000 Owner's Edge Value Advantage and our 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty.
And you can expect even more fanfare with pre-owned cars, trucks, SUVs, and certified pre-owned Kias starting at only $6,000. Kia Country gives you the opportunity to buy like the dealers do at dealer auction prices. These deals are sweeter than apple pie. You'll get a free Carfax history report, a KBB fair market price guide, and every vehicle on our lot has been fully inspected, serviced, and detailed. So celebrate the holiday with Kia Country, Dealer Rater's 2019 South Carolina Dealership of the Year. Whether you want new or used, you simply will not find a better deal or a better dealership in Charleston.
This sale is booming! Get an all-American red, white, and blue deal. You choose $17.76 off MSRP on a new Kia or a qualified pre-owned vehicle from only $6,000. We'll see you July 1st at Kia Country on Savannah Highway.
Happy 4th of July!